Good afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Northampton location, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2017 Lexus RX 350. This RX is showing just over 15,000 original miles. If you would like to see a high-resolution, detailed photo set, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There, of course, you will also find a free included CarFax report, alongside a long list of technical data related to this vehicle's remaining tire life, brake life, as well as individual readings from each panel using our paint depth gauge. But today I'll take you on a quick condition overview on both the interior and the exterior, as well as showing you some of its most notable features. Starting here on the exterior, you'll find the bodywork covered in this beautiful metallic gray paint. Paint's in wonderful shape. As I take you down the driver's side, you see it's very glossy. It's been clearly very well cared for since this vehicle hit the road. You'll find the wheels to be in equally nice shape, with the most minor imperfections to be found on the outermost lip just there. But again, the wheels are looking great. 18-inch silver wheels pair very well with that gray paint. As you can see, this wheel is in perfect condition. As I make my way to the front fascia here, you'll find that really aggressive styling of that kind of new era Lexus design. I like the front grille personally quite a bit. I love the design in the headlights especially. You'll find the headlight lenses to be perfect, and a really cool design for the daytime running lights. You'll see those at the end of the video. All the chrome trim up front is free of any pitting or chipping. Looks really great. And that nice big Lexus logo there, proudly displayed. You can see on the passenger side, very similar story. All of that chrome trim looks wonderful, and it really does give it a unique presence going down the road compared to other vehicles in the segment. Again, here at the front of the passenger side, you'll find the wheel to be in equally nice condition, and all of the plastic cladding there carrying on the bottom of the bodywork looks perfect. See the chrome trim on the mirrors and the window surrounds and the rails up top all look superb. And another wheel in perfect condition. Looking at the back of the vehicle, you'll find the chrome trim looks excellent. Taillight lenses, crystal clear. Again, really fits the design language of the vehicle. And you have these nice chrome exhaust tips on either side of the vehicle. And it gives it a really nice look here in the back. Not too much chrome, just enough flashiness for the outside of this vehicle. Again, there's that chrome trim on the window surrounds. All looks perfect. So next up, let's take you to the interior. It's a really beautiful interior on this particular Lexus. And then I'm going to fire it up and let you hear it running off of a cold start. I'll be right back. Okay, so moving to the interior, you'll find this stunning two-tone leather combination. The leather is so soft, really nice to touch, and just such a comfortable place to sit. The seat design is absolutely brilliant. I love the way they look. And again, that nice gray and black two-tone is just perfect for the interior here. Again, the passenger seat looks just the same, perfect. Now as I make my way inside, you'll see that beautiful Lexus steering wheel. It's actually one of my favorite steering wheels in the industry. I love the way it looks. I love the big Lexus logo presented front and center. This is also a heated steering wheel with this nice plush leather wrapped all the way around with that really nice stitching to be found on the inside. All of the controls look just brilliant. I mean, they look perfect. You see you do have radar guided cruise control. That radar sensor is actually in the Lexus logo you saw in the front grille. Of course, you have that nice analog clock with the chrome bezel, which looks quite nice. And all of the controls throughout the center console and flanking that beautiful wood trim, they all work perfectly and they look excellent. You can see heated and cooled seats for both front occupants. I'm going to fire it up. Of course, it is keyless start, so one touch of the start button fires right up, no problem. You can see the Lexus loading screens queue up just there for the Inform system, which is controlled via this kind of mouse, if you will, here in the center. You do have a nice leather pad to rest your hand on while using the infotainment system as well. So you also have your drive mode selector. See the gauge clusters fired up there. You do have various different screens you can access through this menu just here via the steering wheel controls. Everything works perfectly, and it's a really classy looking gauge cluster. Of course, you also have this nice sunroof just above, which is controlled via this switch just there. Auto open, closes up perfectly. And of course, you can also deploy your little sunshade just there. Of course, your navigation fires up. If you see any flickering, that's only due to the effect of the camera. In person, it looks absolutely perfect. So next up, I'm going to take you under the hood, give you a quick look at the engine. Okay, so here under the hood, you'll find the engine bay to be very clean. All of the plastics look brand new. See that nice engine cover with the two-tone silver and black looks nice. And as you look deeper into the engine bay, you'll find it all to be Very, very clean. No corrosion to be seen here under the hood. And that engine is ticking away smoothly at idle. It sounds quite happy. See there, all the brake components look perfect. Very clean engine bay, and it's such a reliable motor. Of course, being a Toyota-based product, you can expect amazing reliability, and a very versatile vehicle. Can do just about everything you need. Next up, I'll take you to the second row seating here. Again, you'll find that same awesome two-tone leather. Again, the seats are just perfect. It's shocking how nice this leather is to the touch. Really feels uniquely nice for a vehicle in this segment. You can see here, being 6'4", sitting behind where I would comfortably drive the vehicle. I do have absolutely enough legroom to be comfortable at any level of road trip, if you will. You can see a nice view of the interior up front. And kind of a nice seating position here in the back, actually. It's really just setting in now. I'm quite reclined and it's very comfortable. I could see sitting in the back of this Lexus for an extended amount of time. I really like the way it feels back here. Of course, on that door card, you have that nice soft leather with the brown wooden trim flanking it just above. Lastly, make my way around back. One touch operation on that electronic tailgate. Opens right up without an issue. So you have this nice rubber floor mat to protect your nice carpets underneath. We also do have the all-weather floor mats included, as well as the original carpets, all of which are in great shape. Even if you look under the rubber floor mat, you will see the carpets look wonderful there as well. You can drop down the second row seating just there and expand your storage space even more so. You can see this nice kind of privacy blind. So if you would like to keep any of your cargo in the back from being seen through the window, that's an easy way to do that, and it deploys easily and retracts easily with one hand. That is also removable. Of course, one touch on that button to drop the tailgate, two touches to lock the vehicle and drop the tailgate. Say you're leaving the vehicle at a grocery store parking lot or whatnot, that is a nice feature to have. So if you have any, pardon the zoom, if you have any further questions related to this Lexus RX, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There you will find all relevant contact information. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.